Tripura Info News Update.
ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি এলাকা স্বশাসিত জেলা পরিষদের নবনিযুক্ত তিপ্রা মথা দলের ২৪ জন সদস্য আজ শপথ গ্রহণ করেন। আজ খুমুলুং স্থিত কাউন্সিল ভবনে এই শপথ গ্রহণ অনুষ্ঠান অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। শপথ বাক্য পাঠ করান এডিসির আইন সচিব শঙ্করী দাস। অনুষ্ঠানটি শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে সম্পন্ন হয় এবং নতুন সদস্যদের দায়িত্ব গ্রহণের মাধ্যমে পরিষদের কার্যক্রমে নতুন অধ্যায়ের সূচনা হল।
I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 171711, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
I, Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I think you will see some very drastic reforms change, because I have realized that working only to please the system does not help. We have to work to change the system, because sometimes what I've noticed in the last 5 years was I wanted to bring in a lot of changes, we wanted to do a lot of new things, but what I felt was that there were certain obstacles in the way. I think if we want a new Tripura, a young Tripura, then we have to change the system. If in Nepal, Balen Shah becomes the Prime Minister at 35, then why can't we have someone young also trying to drive home a new agenda for a better Tripura?
What will be the main struggle? Because last time
there will be no struggle. I think we have to change our attitude also. I think we'll have to involve people who are not necessarily politicians, but who are people who have contributed in the field of maybe former IAS officers, judiciary, students, people in art and culture. We have to involve everyone to ensure that we come out with a new vision plan which will deliver on education, health, drinking water, sports, opportunity, entrepreneurship. I think that should be a area of focus.
how you are going to overcome the funding issue?
We will work it out, and with whatever we have, we cannot ignore that. We will also work with whatever we have, and I will appeal to the government of India that Tripura cannot develop without TTADC and vice versa. So I think it is very important that attention is, elections are over, we should try to develop the people of TTADC and the people of Tripura.
Any message to the Chief Minister?
Well, I wish him all the best of health, and I have nothing personal against him. He is the Chief Minister of Tripura, so he is the Chief Minister for all of us. I hope that he will give equal importance to TTADC as he does to other departments.
To Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.